printers are tested to be shipped. Doing transport and environmental validations to test HP PageWide XL Pro printers' robustness. More than 100 tests have been performed during the product development process. Testing vibration, drops, and lateral shocks from different heights and lateral positions with and without the original packaging. To simulate stressed thermal conditions, HP printers are exposed to temperatures between -40 to 158 Fahrenheit degrees and relative humidity of 50 to 90% for 400 hours. More than 200,000 square feet of printed material have been exposed to extreme printing conditions. This ensures a good performance in the most common activities performed by customers in different working environments. More than 50 printer components and parts were validated in accelerated life tests simulating 5 years of high usage. More than 16 million square feet of paper and 7,800 liters of ink have been used for this purpose. For example, printer fans were tested for more than 4,000 hours, more than 7 million feet distance have been covered by the belts, mobile structures have been tested 15,000 times, and more than 4,000 liters have been pumped through the ink delivery system. Thanks to all these tests, HP Lab assured that its printers are robust enough to handle any job delivering the highest level of performance and quality. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.